Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Sorry about that noise, just moving my chair. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What does this beautiful market have to offer us this morning? Let's have a dive in. Now, if you haven't already, go to Bybit and open an account. They're a good exchange there. Who are sponsoring these? This YouTube series, and if you do like these YouTube videos and you'd like to keep them coming, please like and subscribe. Okay, so I'm not that. Hey Donna, how are you? Good, ready to roll? I'm ready to roll as well. Just listening to some Jimi Hendrix, Voodoo Child. I'm so ready to roll. All right. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. If you guys haven't worked it out, I don't really get super excited about the markets. Yeah, a few high time frame options. Today, Winston. I try and not get too excited. Because when I get excited, I can over-risk myself. I can take trades I don't want to take. And so far, these last 3 months, 1, 2, 3, January, February, March, I've had some profitable, very good, constructive months, some great months of trading. And I'm motivated to trade today. I'm motivated to trade every day. The right setup just has to be there. Let's have a look at Biddy. All right, so Bitcoin. Man, we get a daily pullback off that level, guys. Oh, that'd be such a good trade. We got to be patient. Robbie, good morning. Just got to be patient. It'll pull into that quota zone eventually, whether it's now, tomorrow, in a couple of days, in a week, in 2 weeks. It'll pull in. Just got to wait, and I'm really keen to take a trade if it does set up off that level there. Now, ETH. Again, calm, like a sniper waiting to pull his trigger. I'm keen to take another 1% trade as well. I bet 1% on my last trade. It went very well. I'm keen to take another full 1%. But I'm just waiting. Let's have a look here. Why did I put ETH in? A pullback on the daily here. This could easily happen over the weekend. You know, we could have a pullback into some level through here. These moving averages catch up. One to keep an eye on for those of you who are not in our community. Pullbacks into the daily cradle zones. So, nice big, that's a good day to the upside. Sol hasn't had that for a very long time. Look at this chart. Boom, and then get this little bounce here. Look at 12. Now, I put Sol in because, look, if we did pull back to some lower levels down through here on the 4 or on the 2, I'd be interested. Binance. I think Binance was... Binance is already triggered. That was on the 1 hour. Nice flat level going through there at about $440.95. And that has triggered. Took that. You'd probably almost be halfway to 1-to-1 now. Again, this is the type of thing, guys, like in this type of market, this is where being professional, being concise, and being calm is really important. You can say you're all those things, but until a market like this comes around, morning Dan, how are you? Yeah, nice, Winston, order in. You don't know that you will be like that. That's why we have a trading plan, and that's why it's really important to stay calm and collected. Because you see setups like this, you miss it, you're like, oh, go take another trade. Not the right mindset, you'll lose money. So anyway, BNB USD, USDT, nice 1 hour pullback there. Chills USDT. Let's have a look. Just a really nice trend here. Morning, Granny Basan. Morning, Granny. Really nice trend here on the floor. Bum, bum. Pull in. Yes, sir. Please, a little green candle. One thing I've noticed on this market is we're starting to, the market's kind of gone, and now we're starting now we're in this area where the market's kind of like, oh, we're getting a bit sticky. I need to pull back. I don't know if I'm going to pull back yet. Kind of like in that zone. That shouldn't affect what trades I take, but it's an observation I did make today. EOS. Now I put EOS in just as an example. Like this is what I'm talking about. Bang, pullback. Bang, pullback. Sticky, 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 sticky. I was going to turn that into a rude joke, but I won't. Sticky. That's what I'm talking about. So I just put that in as an example. So just be aware of that. Something to be aware of. There's more to trading than just taking candles in the cradle zone. Being in flow with the market, listening to what the market's telling you is really important. Near USDT. Don't mind the trend. Some nice cyclicity coming in here and a pullback with a small bullish candle in there. Look at the 8. It's trending very nicely indeed. This kind of market reminds me of bull market days last year. This volatility is awesome, and we can trade to the upside or the downside. That's why it's so damn good. You just got to have that ability to switch. Crow. Let's look at the 12. Let's look at the 8. Yeah, it's a far-reaching. Look, the setup's there. I personally wouldn't take this trade. But the setup's there. There's a pullback and a small bullish candle in the cradle zone. Granny. 2 questions. What moving averages are you using? If you've done our course, which is free on Bybit, if you open an account, we're using the 10 and 20 day moving averages, mate. LRC, I'll have a look. Oh, Winston, what don't I like about it? Well, that is a good question, Winston. And I'll answer it like this. Yes, it meets the rules. Does it pull back into a major level? It pulls back into somewhat of a level, but I just don't like the structure. There's something, you could say it's too extended. There's something there, the cyclicity is lacking. I even call this large rated candles in a way. I want nice free-flowing cyclicity, like on the last trade I took, like really small to medium candles, just working up. Because then when the trade does trigger and it does go on to one-to-one, it's just nice and gradual, or it goes straight up and then nice and gradual. Like I'm wanting trends that have a high probability of extending. Once upon a time, I liked trends that just went, whoa! But I have a larger account now, and I'm just wanting to see those really nice, cool, calm, collected trends. Yes, sir. But that's just me. We all have to be our own traders. Finally, Bit USDT, flat level there for those of us in our community. That's right, Winston, they do come back just as fast. But the good thing about those trends is that you can hit your one-to-one pretty fast. Okay. Bit USDT. So there's a nice flat level there forming. For those of you in our community, we get to work up into that level. I do love trading breakouts in these kind of conditions. Breakouts are very high probability trades for me. And when they wind up, they shoot up. So that's why I do like breakouts. Granny, we have a Slack community. If you do our courses, a whole lot of members in there. Most of the people in here are in our Slack community. And we all post trades and trade the same techniques, trade the same strategies, and support each other's development. And that's the Bybit scan, guys. OKB is looking bloody good. I don't think Bybit has OKB. OKB, let's have a look. Anyway, we'll cover OKB in Slack. OKB looks really good. For those of you in Slack, you know what we're talking about. This is a Bybit scan. Granny, yeah, it'd be good to see you join, mate. Max, yep, the OKB perp candle looks bloody good on the perp contracts. LRC perp, let's see. Sorry if I start, sorry in advance if I start humming a song. It's because when I did my scan this morning, I was listening to Nelly Furtado. Secret fan. Nelly Furtado, if you're in, #1 fan. So I've got all her music playing in my head. Okay, LRC. LRC. Robbie, comp perp. Yeah, we're going to have a look at comp as well, mate. LRC. Let's see. Let's see. LRC, too sticky, mate. There's not enough cyclicity here. I'm like a bird. Hey, Granny, come and join Slack, mate. Seriously, come and join Slack, mate. Mate, if you want to find out more about it, go to our website, TRADERCOBB.com. It should be in the notes. And if you complete our courses, you can come into Slack and we're all in there trading together. We've got a grandpa in there, so Granny would be good. LRC, USDT. Mate, I wouldn't, personally, this is not a trade for me. I'll tell you why. We've had a boom up, but then we're just getting sticky up here. Really sticky. Lacking cyclicity. Yes, there's a candle in the cradle zone here, but I want the price to be bouncing in and out of these moving averages like a bouncing ball. And finally, what else do we want to look at, guys? Comp perp. Yeah, I've got that song stuck in my head. Oh, god damn. Comp USDT. Let's have a look. I'll take LRC out. Let's have a look at comp. I'm like a bird, I want to fly away. Oh, God. Hey, Granny, come and join the crew. Come and join the crew. Become a great trader. All right, comp perp. Mate, look, on the one, not a fan. The two, we're having that bouncing ball come in. But the thing is, on the two, Robbie, is I like candle structure like this. Small candles coming up, and now it's going like, whoa, sticky, whoa. According to the rules, this is a cradle trade, yes. Is it trending on the floor? Yes, it is, but it's just not my kind of trade. I like these smaller, gentler, free-flowing trends. This would really need to pull back in a bit more for me. Maybe to $150 as well would be good. Pulled into a round number and some other supporting factors. Anything else, guys? I need to get in front of the computer before 11 to see if there are any orders I want to raise before the daily close. Anything else? It's good to see you all in here. Sounds like everybody is pumped. And as always, guys, Robbie, cheers. Granny, thank you. If you're interested, go to our website. Donna, thank you. Winston, Dan, Max, I'll see you guys in Slack. Peace, guys. Let's get after it today and see if we can make some money, hey? Cheers.